Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are safe. Okay, I think you all understood what all things we learned in these days. The previous days we learned a lot of things about living things, non-living things. Before that, we learned about our environment. Well, if you forgot the spelling of environment, okay, so learn it well. Then we learned about natural things and man-made things. Then we learned about living things and non-living things. And then we learned about the features of living things. What all features we learned? We learned about they breathe. Living things breathe, but non-living things do not breathe, we learned. And they grow, they need food. Plants need food, animals need food. Plants prepare their own food. Very good. Plants prepare their own food. Then they need what all things they want to prepare their own food? They want sunlight mainly. They want air. They want water. So using these all, they prepare their own food from the leaves. Okay? They prepare their food in their leaves. So air, water, sunlight they want. So we learned in the choose the correct answer question. Plants prepare their own food using sunlight. For preparing their food, they want sunlight. Sunlight spelling S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight. Okay. So this much things we learned in the previous lessons. Now today we are going to learn about the movement. All living things can move from one place to another. I can move from here to here. You can also move from in front of your book to other places. Do you move now? No. You are learning your lesson EVS now. So you will not go anywhere now. You sit at your place and learn well. Isn't it? Agree? Okay, very good. Listen carefully, everybody. So today we have to learn about movement of living things. All the living things can move. Well, if you say, can all living things move? No, because who cannot move? Plants cannot move totally from one place to another. They show their movement by using their parts of the plant. Which all parts are moving? Their stem, their leaves, their root, their parts will move towards the sunlight. The stem will move towards the sunlight. The root will move towards the water or the soil. Isn't it? So, for that in your textbook, one example is given there, one activity is given here. So, that you can look at your textbook in the page number 130. Okay, the plants also show movement. That is why we can say that plant is a living thing. Like that, some other animals. Animals can move. Easily they can move. So, human beings, I show you, I can move from this place to another place very easily. So, how can I move? I will walk. I can walk like this, or I can run also. Then also I can jump also. So, we can move different way. Usually, we are moving by walking. Can you walk? Okay, very good. So, human beings move by walk. Human beings move from one place to another by walking. Okay. So, next, fish. Do you see the movement of fishes? Fish move using their fins. They have fins on the either side. The back also they have fin. Then either side of their body also they have fins to move. Look at your aquarium. How the fishes are moving. So using their fins they are moving. You can see the picture of fish fins. Okay.
Usually possesses two paired fins and one or more unpaired fins. The tail also has a tail fin.
Next, birds. You know how the birds are flying using their wings. Using the wings they are flying. You see that? Then using their legs also they can move from one place to slowly they can move using their legs also. But usually they are using their wings. What is the spelling of wings? W-I-N-G-S, wings. Very small word. W-I-N-G-S, wings. All of you say W-I-N-G-S, wings. Okay? Then fin spelling F-I-N-S. Very simple. Fins. Who will move using fins? Fish. Fish move with their fins. Very good. Then human beings move by walking. Human beings walk. Fish move with their fins. Birds move with their wings. Then plants. Plants grow towards the sunlight, or plants root move towards the water or soil. Okay, this is about movement of living things. Understand? Okay, then you go through the textbook later. Okay, next we have to learn about the feel. Living things can feel. In the previous classes we talked about feel. What is feel? Can you feel something? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Okay, then can you touch me? No, I cannot touch you also now. Okay, then somebody touch you. Can you understand somebody touch me? Yes, so that is feel. So many things we can feel. If it is a sunny day, we feel so hot. The temperature increases, we understand it is so hot. What will we do? We will switch on the fan when we feel hot. So that is feeling. If we touch a hot thing, you go to the kitchen and touch a hot pot on the stove. What will happen? You will take your hand very fast, isn't it? Because you feel the hotness. That is why you take your hand fast. So, coolness, touch, pain. When your mother pinch, sometimes your mother will pinch on your ears. Then what will you do? You feel pain and start to cry. So, that is another feel. So, pain. Pain is another feel. So, hotness, coldness, touch, pain, all are feels. So, because of this, we feel something. So, that is feel. All living things can feel. What about plants? Can plants feel? Yes. One plant is there. When we touch it, it will close its leaves. That is, which plant is that? All of you know which is that? That is touch me not plant. When you touch the plant, it will close its leaves. Isn't it? You see, you touch me not plant. Very good. So all of you go and touch the plant. Is it has any feel? Find out. Is it has any feel? find out and touch it. If somebody touch you, you can understand like that. Somebody touch the plant, it can understand. So we want to learn the spelling of this plant. Which is the plant? Touch me not plant. What is the spelling? Touch. All of you say Touch. Touch. Me. M-E-N-O-T. Plant spelling P-L-A-N-T. Plant. So touch me not plant. Okay. Touch. M-E-N-O-T. P-L-A-N-T. Touch me not plant can feel. Okay. Some other plants also there. At evening time, some plants will go to sleep. So they understand it is evening or it is night. They will go to sleep or they will close its leaves. You find out from your garden which all plants are going to sleep or which are plants are closing their leaves when it is evening. Find out. Are you ready to find out? Go to your garden and find out. Okay, which all plants can feel the evening, the time they can feel. Okay, when the sunlight goes, they can understand. There is no sunlight, we are going to sleep. Find out it. Okay, ready, agree? Okay, very good. So, we learned today about the movement of living things and living things can feel. Okay, all of you clear? Understand? Then we can go through the lesson. After reading the lesson, you repeat it 2 or 3 times. Now, ma'am will read. That is very helpful to you, I think. So, one time you follow me. After that, without the video, you should read yourself. Agree? And collect signature of your parent. Okay? So, have a good day. Thank you. Bye. Listen your textbook. Living things move. Animals move in their own ways. And if you repeat, plants and their parts also show movement. Okay? Human beings walk. Birds fly with wings. Then fish use their fins. A potted plant grows towards the direction of sunlight. Do pencils and pens move on their own? No, they are non-living things. That is why they cannot move on their own. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Okay? The next line. Living things can feel. We feel hot when we touch a hot object. We feel pain when we hurt ourselves. Isn't it? When we hurt ourselves, we feel pain. When we fall down, we will get wound and we will feel pain. Okay. Living things can feel. Read, all of you. Leaves of a touch-me-not plant will close when it is touched. When we touch the plant, the leaves will be closed. Pinch your doll or football. Does it cry or make any other sounds or movements? No, because non-living things do not feel. Okay, all of you read well. Then you can see, tick the correct answer. Question. Birds fly with dash. All of you read. Birds fly with fins, wings, gills, feet. How do birds fly? Birds fly with wings. Okay, spelling W-I-N-G-S, wings. Birds fly with the wings. Okay. Second one, living things dash feel. Can feel, cannot feel, will not feel, or do not feel. What is the answer? Living things can feel. First answer, C-A-N, can. Living things can feel. Okay? That is the right answer. Then all of you go through the lessons again and again and read well and collect your parent's signature after reading this. Take the correct answer also. Put your parent's signature here. You read yourself. Okay. Thank you.